This creamy one-pot pasta recipe is a very quick and easy to make flavor-packed dinner option for your busy days. Welcome to Suzacs, the world of simple quick recipes. For this recipe, we mainly need 2 cups of pasta, 250 grams of minced meat, 1 large or 2 small onions finely chopped, 2-3 finely chopped garlic, and some fresh or dried oregano leaves, and some fresh cream. Add 2 tablespoons of butter to a heated pan. Into this, add chopped onions, chopped garlic, add some salt and saute it for a while. To this, add minced meat and mix it. Add 1 teaspoon of pepper powder and 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder. And now add some oregano leaves and mix it all together. And to this, add 3 cups of water. You can also add any broth if you like. Once it starts to boil, add 2 cups of pasta. The pasta should be fully immersed in the liquid. And close it and cook for 10 to 12 minutes. So adjust the cooking time according to the pasta you take. Open and check whether it is cooked. And check the salt at this point. Now add 4 tablespoons of fresh cream and mix it well. Now switch off the flame, and to this add grated mozzarella or parmesan cheese as you like, and garnish with some fresh basil leaves and cover it for a while. And you can see that the cheese has melted, and since the pasta is also cooked in one pot, it absorbs all the flavors. Just try it out and you will be definitely happy about this quick delicious dinner in 20 minutes. If you find our videos useful, please like, share and subscribe, and turn on the notifications to get informed of our new videos. See you all with the next video.